Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to move data or a game from one hard drive to the next, like SD card, on your Nintendo Switch, and this is really easy to do. We want to go down to System Settings right here and select this, and then scroll on down and go to Data Management. Then you can see the system memory on the top, on the left, and then the microSD card on the right, so you can see my free space available on each. And we can go to move data between system and microSD card. Select this and it's going to say checking for free space. And you have two options. You can move to microSD card or you can move to system memory. So the arrow up and down. And you can choose. So let's move a game from my internal storage to my SD card. Then choose the game. So let's choose Paladin since this is a relatively small file. And it'll tell you the amount of free space that you're moving or the amount of storage space that's going to be available. So let's go to move data and go to move. And then it's going to give you a percentage. And it might be a little bit slow depending on what kind of SD card you're using. But after 2 minutes, this should be about done. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.